May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 6. And for the appellant, my senior has some difficulty.
What is your prayer here?
Lordship, my senior has some difficulty, so kindly release the matter in the first week of December.
Okay, you are for the petitioner,
Yes,
Miss
so you're clear.
Lana Council, appearing on behalf of. Your name is also there?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, no, just a Miss Lana Council for item number 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Appellant prays for adjournment of the case for how much time?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is for the respondent? Are they present? No.
No.
Okay. None appears on behalf of the respondent. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Worship, the similar prayer for item number 21.
Item number
21, Your Lordship.
21.
Yes. Yeah, and for the respondent number 6 and 7.
Okay. Miss, your name?
Your
Hmm?
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the appellant.
You're for
Appellant.
appellant.
Yes, sir.
You have any objection?
No objection, Your.
Okay. Okay, hard land council
Lordship,
for the
kindly, let this matter may be listed on 8th of December for hearing.
8 December.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Hard land council for the appellant, Mr. Devna.
Dinagi.
Okay. And also, Miss,
Your
how do you pronounce it?
Your Lordship.
Okay.
For respondent
For
number 6 and
respondent number 6 and
7.
7. Whether anyone appears on behalf of the other respondent? No. Okay. Stop, huh? On the prayer of both the land councils for the parties, list this matter on date
8th of December.
8/12. This is for hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. For hearing. Okay.
Much obliged.
May please, Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3.
Item 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Lordship, here the matter is now before the cabinet for its approval. It's a word charge regularization. So Lordship, I pray that the matter may be listed after 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Likasa Santang
Okay.
for the petitioner.
Okay. Miss, you're for government.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
This is contempt.
Yes, for respondent number 2 to 4.
Miss so and so. For the respondent number 2 to 4 submits that the matter related to this case is still pending before
The cabinet
the cabinet for
Yes.
decision,
for its approval.
for its approval.
Yes.
And pray that this matter may come up after 4
Oh,
weeks.
yes, Lordship.
Okay, stop. Lani,
Lordship, Nisukachisi.
okay. For Mr. So and so, Lani council for the petitioner is also present. Stop. Is prayed for, comma, this matter may become listed after 4 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
I may be allowed to mention for item number 10, my lord.
Item-
Lordship, the respondents have not yet filed their affidavit in opposition.
Okay, you are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
What is this case about, by the way?
It is the private respondent has filed a defamation case against the petitioner for filing a case in the High Court, challenging her appointment, Lordship. So her assertion is that we have defamed her by filing a case against her, Lordship. So this is it is an interesting matter, my lord, but the respondents are still yet to file their affidavit. If
Okay.
they are not going to file their affidavit, my lord, it may be listed for hearing, Lordship.
Okay. And then who is for the respondent?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my colleague, Mr. V. Jimo, for state respondent number 1. He may be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. 3 weeks means you have to file affidavit. Who has to file affidavit here in this case?
The state has not yet filed the affidavit, but if that is also not necessary, if they are not going to file it, we can proceed with the case, my lord. And even the private respondents, they are yet to file the affidavit.
Private, who appears for the private respondent? You are
I'm for state.
state, okay.
Yes.
Tari counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
Tushi Olong, my lordship.
And also Lanet counsel, Mr.
Kiangami,
Angami, appearing on behalf of
Mr. V. Jimomi.
Mr. V. Jimomi, Lanet counsel for on
Yes.
behalf of the state.
State.
Okay. Non-government advocate, huh? Staff, huh? The Lana Council for the petitioner submits that in the instant case, the private respondent is yet to file affidavit. However, today, are you appearing on behalf of the private?
Private respondent too.
Okay, so are you praying for time? How much time?
Your Lordship,
Okay,
2 weeks time.
okay, the private respondent number?
Right.
Okay. Leave that later on sentence, Miss
Praise Okiha.
Lana Council for the private respondent number 2. Prays for 2 weeks time to file affidavit stuff. In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks. Okay,
Obliged, my lord.
May please lordship. I beg to mention item number 1, my lord. I am for the respondents here. I pray that I may be given a week's time, my lord. I pray that this matter may be listed after a week.
you are for
I am for the condemners, my lord.
respondent, who is for the, yes,
I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
yes.
May this be the last time because to comply, they have taken.
No,
At
my lord, we
least-
are coming with a comprehensive list of applicants, of compassionate applicants. So, since we are collecting the list from different units, so we are taking some time for compilation. So, my lord, in that case, I may given 2 weeks time.
Lana Council, Mr. So Lana Council for the respondent submits that the government is preparing a list, a comprehensive list,
Yes, of compassionate applicants.
the applicants, the compassionate applicants
Yes,
by
yes.
collecting from all the district,
Yes, of district units.
all the
Battalions,
district units, huh?
Yes,
Okay. Which may take,
which is taking some time, so, which is taking some time.
which
because
is
in the
taking some
last
time.
occasions also, I have.
which is taking some time and prays for
2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks time. Stop. Lana Council for the petitioner, Miss Zajimoni is also present. Is prayed for by the Lana Council for the respondent. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, Lordship,
Yes.
20. I'm for the respondent, the sole respondent, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, here I'm led by my senior, Mr. P.B. Paul. Lordship, my senior has some difficulties, so it will matter in after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. You have any objection?
No, Lordship.
Okay. Learned advocate, Mr. Jim, you are for, Jimon,
I'm for the respondent, sole respondent.
okay. For the sole respondent. Prays for 3 weeks time,
3 weeks, Lordship.
to which the Lana Council for the applicant, Miss
Keith Zikro on behalf of Imkong
K.
Jamir.
Jikro on behalf of N.
Imkong Jamir.
Jamir, Lana Council for the applicant has no objection, staff.
Lordship,
Their prayer is accordingly allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, there is an interim.
Okay, in the meantime, the interim order passed earlier shall continue. Okay.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I also like to mention 4 and 5, Lordship. Here I'm for respondent, the private respondent, Lordship,
Okay,
4 and 5. Lordship, if the matter came up 2 weeks, Lordship.
and you are for?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Okay. You are for the private respondent,
Lordship, I'm for the
Okay.
private respondent.
Mr. Land Council for the private respondent. Prays that the matter may come up after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Stop. Mr.
And Longkoma, my lord.
N. Longkumar.
Longkoma.
Land Council for the petitioner is present and he has no objection to the prayer made by the land council for the private respondent staff. Accordingly, the prayer for adjournment is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
Okay.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, sorry for the indulgence, but in item number 10, there is an interim, if that may be allowed to be continued, lordship. Item number 10, which was mentioned earlier, lordship.
Item 10. In the meantime, the interim order passed earlier shall continue. Okay.
Much grateful, lordship.
In the meantime, yes.
Under 12 and 13, my lord. In this case, we have some already taken step to the respondent, my lord. But my lord, the service as per order the 23rd May, my lord, 2023, service is awaited, my lord. My lord, the case was again listed before this honorable court, my lord. And that time, my lord, there is a administrative order from the Chief Justice, my lord, to take up this any judge may take up this matter, my lord. So therefore, my lord, no ID card, no unserved notice has not been returned back, my lord. So my lord.
Now, what do you want? What do you want now? You are for the petitioner.
I'm the petitioner, my lord.
Okay.
So my lord, in the meantime, my lord, matter will be fixed on 5th of December, my lord. In the meantime, if it is any service report returned, my lord, then court will pass an order on 5th of December, my lord, to present from service as per CPC, my lord. So this matter will be fixed on 5th of December, my lord.
Okay. So, service report is still awaited. You want to take fresh step or just?
My lord, no ID card return, unserved notice also returned back, my lord. So, presume all them, probably they received the notice,
Okay.
my lord. So, we'll track from the record of as per postal service, my lord, and accordingly, my lord.
Okay. Mr.
S committee, my lord.
S committee, land council for the petitioner submits that in the instant case, the service report, although the petitioner has taken steps upon the respondent, but the service report is still awaited.
No unserved notice returned back and no ID card returned back.
Still awaited. No, there is neither.
No unserved notice returned back, my lord.
Okay. Awaited as no answer.
No unserved returned back to the registry, my lord.
To return back to the registry. Stop. And pray for and hence prays that this matter may be fixed. That this matter may come up on 5th December. And in the meantime, he further submits that, and in the meantime, he will trace out.
Yes, postal some track report. I'll try.
Okay.
Not
He'll-
required, not required, my lord, reflecting the order.
Not, okay. No one appears on behalf of the respondent staff. Is prayed for by the land council for the petitioner, at least this matter on 5th for order, stop.
5th December.
5th December for order, okay. In the order column,
Next, same, my lord. There's the 12 and 13.
Okay, similar
12.
order, 12 and 13. Okay,
12, highly addressed.
Lordship,
yes,
for hearing item 17, I have a consensus prayer. If the matter can come up after 2 weeks,
you're for?
I am for the appellant, for the petitioner.
Mr. Satyanga, land council for the appellant, submits that he has obtained a consent from the okay, respondent is present?
Yes.
Okay. Land council for the land council for the petitioner. This is your mentioning 17.
Yes, hearing item 17.
Okay. Is there any private respondent also here in this case?
No.
Gotcha. Land council for the petitioner, Mr. Settinger, and also Mr.
Kiangami.
Kiangami, the government advocate. Stop. On the prayer of the Land Council for the revision petitioner, which is not been objected to by the Land government advocate. List is matter after
2 weeks,
2 weeks. Okay.
deeply obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 on behalf of Mr. V. Jimomi for state.
Okay.
Lordship, kindly grant 3 weeks time, Lordship.
Jimomi is for
State response.
Okay.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, in the meantime, interim pass let him be continued.
Okay. Mr. Angame, appearing on behalf of the Land government advocate, Mr. Jimomi, praise that this matter may come up after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, 3 weeks. To which the Land Council for the revision petitioner, Mr.
Sabumati.
has no objection. Stop. In view of the above, list is matter after 3 weeks. Stop. In the meantime, the interim order passed earlier shall continue. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, item number 9. I have a similar prayer on behalf of Mr. V. Jimomi for state.
Who is for?
Lordship, here, every time the matter is listed, the government advocate their in time. And this GR is of 2015 matter, Lordship.
What is this matter about?
Lordship, it's regarding the giving of
prosecution sanction.
two surveillance by the paramilitary forces.
Whether charge sheet filed here in this
No.
case? Charge sheet not yet filed.
Not correct.
Then
I'm praying for caution of the FIR against the officials of the IGR
on the ground,
on the ground that no
prosecution sanction obtained.
sanction has been received obtained from the.
But you said that charge sheet not yet filed.
Yes, Lordship. But they want to continue with the prosecution. Lordship.
No. Charge sheet not yet filed.
Before filing of the charge. Before filing of the charge.
But then in the
they-
meantime, they will obtain.
they
In the
have to-
meantime, they
yes,
will
in the
obtain.
meantime, they have to obtain, but they have.
Yes, but why?
So
Is
I-
it not
I-
too early?
challenge that- no,
Is it not too early?
It is not early.
No,
It is
because
not- the court has, the central government have two options, whether to give sanction or not. If they don't not give the sanction, then the criminal court martial will take up the case. But if they give the sanction, the central government, the state government, they can take up the case, provided they get the sanction. But we have not issued any sanction against the officer.
now are you objecting issuing sanction?
Yes, but I'm saying that.
Whether
without-
is
without
there any
sanction-
communication?
without
Is there any
sanction, the state government.
is there any communication from the department? Your department
Yes,
that
but
you will not issue sanction against?
They have
the-
not sought any sanction. The government has not sought any
Okay,
sanction, but
the
still
IO
they-
has-
they wanted to file the charge sheet. And we're saying that without sanction, they cannot file the charge sheet. So they have not sought sanction so far, and this is a 2015 case.
No, yes, this is still under investigation then.
Still under investigation. They have,
So-
they have,
So why should you object the investigation?
because without, the sanction, they cannot file the complaint,
No, that
the charge sheet.
that
charge
comes
sheet.
later on. That will come later on.
No, Lordship, no, Lordship.
And charge sheet, you see charge sheet at the time of filing charge sheet, if they
There
have,
is already the police report, Lordship,
okay.
preliminary report.
Hmm.
Now, and after that. they
But
want
on
to
the
file
basis of the preliminary report,
Yes.
the court will not proceed with the trial
Yes,
case.
yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
So we're saying that the preliminary report is already there. So what is the need of a judge?
Now,
Unless
why,
they-
why,
unless they
why the
obtain-
government is not seeking?
Lordship, here my friend is speaking
Okay.
the case. I'm not in the case. He's yet to receive instruction. That's what I'm informed.
Okay,
Lordship, this criminal
so
case
because
is
whether
too
they give or
complicated.
not, let them reply, but then you should actually, the government Oh, the authorities should apply.
Yes, sir.
Giving, not giving is of course at their discretion.
Your Lordship.
Okay, you are praying for? Praying for?
Mr. Vijmomi, PP.
No, no, for how much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Lordship, 3 weeks is too long because
3
by
weeks.
the concerned officials,
Ah.
this is 2015 case. So concerned officials is because
No,
of this
no,
case.
no point coming early also, because, and again, if nothing, if they can't take up any steps, then they will come and pray for adjournment only. 2 weeks, I
Still,
think.
Lordship. Let them seek adjournment in the next day.
Mr. Angam,
Lordship, Lordship.
Lana Council, Mr. Angame, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jimomi, Lana Government Advocate, prays for adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Staff, 3 weeks. Lana Council for the,
Petition.
this is a revision petitioner.
Petitioner.
Okay, petitioner Mr. Gauhati, no?
Yes, Lord.
Is also present. So 3 weeks or 2 weeks?
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks, and some said only, and the adjournment may be given only for 2 weeks, stop. In view of the above, let this matter become, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, there is an interim order also.
In the meantime, the interim order shall continue.
Yes, Lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19.
18 and
18 and 19. Lordship, this is not an analogous case. It's a
Okay.
different case, so different date may be given.
okay, so date for 18. You're for?
I'm
Appellant.
for the appellant.
Okay,
The engaged counsel is out of station, so let this matter may be adjourned on 8th of December for hearing.
when do you want?
5th of December for item number 18.
Okay, for 19?
For 19th, 7th of December.
Okay. You have any objection? Okay. Learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. Devnath.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
I'm appearing on behalf of Sir Vikamjit Devnath.
Okay, your name?
My
Good
name is Dinagi.
Okay. Learned, Mr. D. Nagy. Learned counsel, Mr. D. Nagy, appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Devnath. Learned counsel for the appellant, prays for fixing, prays for adjournment of the case for the day. And to fix the matter on 5th December. Learned counsel for the respondent, Miss, is also present, and she has no objection to the prayer made by the learned counsel for the appellant. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter on 5th December for hearing. Okay. And on 19th, similar prayer on 7th, date be 7th, huh? Okay,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 also.
yes, what is that?
Lordship, I'm appearing for the appellant on behalf of Sir Vikamjit Devnath.
So who is for the other side here?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1, Lordship.
Respondent.
Claimant respondent.
Okay, so you have any objection?
No,
When do you want this matter?
Lordship, let this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
3,
Yes, Lordship. We are yet to take steps upon respondent
Mr.
number 2 and 3.
Learned counsel, Mr. His name, huh? Appearing on behalf of Sri V. Devnath, learned counsel for the appellant, prays for adjournment of the case.
Lordship, allow us to take a fresh step upon respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay. You have to take fresh step.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. No, they have not submit that. Why the respondent number 2 and 3, they are
Yes,
not
open
appearing.
Respondent number 2 and 3, that is owner and driver of the scooty, motor vehicle.
Okay,
What was that?
I praise that for allowing him to take a fresh step upon the respondent number 2 and 3
Through register post 80.
through register, the
Through
2 and 3, through register post with AD. By fixing the next, okay, and the matter may come up after 3 weeks. Stop, prayer allowed. Let this matter, so prayer allowed, Mr.
Lucknow Form.
Lanika appears on behalf of
Respondent
it-
number one.
Lanika counsel for the respondent number
Respondent number one, Lordship.
1 is present. Stop. Is prayed for by the Lanika counsel for the, sorry, the prayer of the Lanika counsel for the appellant is allowed. The petitioner is allowed to take steps upon the respondent number, fresh steps upon the respondent number 2 and 3 by register post with AD. This is matter after 2 weeks. Okay. This matter already sent. 3 weeks. 3 weeks, no? Okay, it's fine then. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lords?
Yes,
Lords, if I beg to mention hearing item number 16 on behalf of my senior Moaz and counsel for the appellant. Lordship, kindly let the matter come up on 21st of November. It is a consensus that
no, when
21st, 21/11.
you're for petitioner,
Yes, no.
petitioner, and then,
Lordship, I'm for state.
okay. Lanet. Sorry, Mr.
Mane Konya.
Your name is there?
No, my lord. I'm
You're appearing on behalf of?
my senior Moaz.
Okay, appearing on behalf of Mr. Moazamir, Land Council for the appellant. Praise for adjournment of the case for how much time?
Sir, Lordship kindly fix it on 21st of
Okay,
November.
okay, pray for fixing of the matter on 21st, 11/2023, to which the Learned Council, Learned Advocate, Learned Government, PP,
Lordship.
okay, Mr. Government has no objection, stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter on 21st, 11/2023. Okay. For
Go ahead,
hearing, huh? Yes.
For admission, item number 2.
Very peaceful arbitration petition case. On the last occasion, the petitioners were directed to publish the notice in the local newspaper, in the daily newspaper. I've
Yes.
already done that, and I have already filed my affidavit, placing on record the papers.
Okay,
It's in the record, Lordship, the record. Report. Full size newspaper.
Okay, so but they are not appearing.
They are not that many, so in spite of which.
Have you filed it by affidavit or
Yes,
just submitted? Okay, you have
Through,
filed
through an additional affidavit, of-
additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
By which order you were allowed to publish it? 1/6. Okay, already published. It has already come. When it was published?
That was published on 20 April 2022.
It has already been reflected in the order, I think. Already reflected in the order
Yes,
sheet.
yes, Lordship.
You have published.
Yes.
Then what next if they are not appearing?
On two papers I have published. So,
Yes.
Notice may be deemed to be complete, Lordship, since they have not appeared.
Notice maybe?
Deemed to be complete.
The order already reflected on June 2023. The notice are deemed to be served to the
Yes.
sole respondent. So it is deemed. What next now? Since they are not appearing and then it's arbitration
So
case.
let it
What
be
next?
Let it go ex parte information, ex parte hearing.
Ex parte hearing.
Yes, Lord.
Now, that will amount to, that will, you say, lead to appointment of the arbitrator.
Yes, Lordship. I agree with that. But
And
since they are-
how in absence of the other side, it can proceed with?
Notice was issued by number, by registered post. It was not accepted. Thereafter, court has directed to publish it in a newspaper.
Yeah,
At
it
the
was
place-
published
at the place
and
of
then
residence,
deemed to have served.
my lord.
So the question is what next? Can we proceed or can we proceed in absence of the other party? Because it's,
After parties are not in the registered, Lordship,
how many arbitrators?
only one,
Only one.
only one. arbitrators.
Okay.
And even the respondent is only one, sole respondent.
Now, even if the arbitrator is appointed,
Yes,
if the other side doesn't appear, then since they are not appearing,
my lord.
how that arbitrator also will function or proceed with the case of arbitration of the case? How do you go about, how you will go about?
If they are not satisfied, then they can always make an appeal. Otherwise, in the present case, Lordship, we have served notice on them. Notice was also published in the paper, in spite of which they are not appearing. So if they are.
Have you annexed the
Yes, Lordship. I have.
your agreement where arbitration clause?
Lordship, in my
reflected?
affidavit,
Can we just see once the arbitration clause? Must be in the contract agreement,
In the contract agreement,
and then you have not annexed the contract agreement.
I have an
and,
explanation in the form of an additional
or
affidavit.
additional affidavit, yes,
Yes,
please.
Last. Page 25, right?
Page
28,
25,
28, sorry, 28.
28 of the,
Of
Additional
affidavit. Additional affidavit.
yes.
Last paragraph, Lordship, clause 26.
Appointment of
Appointment of
arbitrator. Okay,
arbitrators.
okay. Have you tried for the amicable settlement? There is in the clause.
Please, they are not approaching lordship. They are not coming forward. We have written to them a number of times, but they are not coming forward.
Any notice given?
And lordship, my kindly may see, clause 26, in the event of any dispute or differences between the parties hereto, such dispute of differences shall be resolved amicably by
Yes.
usual consultation, amicably by usual consultation, or
Yes.
the next line is important, or through the good office of the empowered agency of the government.
Yes.
So if we fail to appear, the government they can appoint an arbitrator. We have wrote to them, they are not coming forward. So, but still there is a clause. Writer that the dispute can be settled through the court of.
No. In what manner have you tried? Have you served notice to the respondent
My lordship,
for
may-
amicable settlement?
If my lordship may come to my affidavit, to my petition. To my main petition, arbitration petition,
Yes.
starting from page 10, annex 1. These are the notices issued to the private respondents. So,
Page 10. These are the tender.
starting from page 10 till page 23. These are the letters, the correspondence that has been made with the.
No, these are the acceptance of the tender. For design and no. My query is whether, as there is also the provision also mentioned that in the event of dispute, the dispute shall be resolved amicably by mutual consultation. So this, in what way did you try for the settlement of the matter through mutual consultation? Have you taken steps?
Lordship,
for
my lordship, has kindly come to page 23.
23?
23.
Yes.
This is letter dated 14 February 2020 to the sole respondent. Arbitration case for design and construction of 80-meter space CCC metro so and so. Okay, yes, sir. Undertaking certificate for appointment of arbitrator as per HQ DGRB instruction dated number so and so dated 18 Jan 2016 is enclosed herewith in duplicate for your signature and early return of this office for our further submission to higher authority. So we have already, in by letter dated, we have already forwarded for appointment of arbitrator.
What was the dispute in, just brief, the dispute?
This
You are
was-
contractor or you are,
Pardon?
you are? There are two parties in there.
I am the Union of India.
Okay, you are for Union of India.
Represented by the Chief Engineer Project Sivak.
Okay, you are for chief engineer.
Yes, Project Sivak.
Uh,
And
and the respondent was given a contract work.
yes, the respondent was given contract work, but they have not completed the contract. In fact, they have not started also.
Not started.
Yes,
Have you paid any amount to the contractor?
yes, Lordship.
And
Some
then,
amount has been paid.
okay,
My lord, if my lordship may kindly see my synopsis, it's a very short synopsis, one page only. In my arbitration petition. May I read, lordship?
yes, please.
Synopsis. That a contract agreement was entered on 17/7/2006 with the respondent for design and construction of so and so on open foundation works dated 1/8/2005. The work was handed over to the respondent showing the date of completion of the work on 30/7/2007. That even after a lapse of 8 months, the respondent did not commence the work. Several notices were also issued to the respondent and his representative, but the respondent did not commence the work. As such, a final notice dated 2/2/2006 was issued. However, in spite of the final notice, the respondent failed to commence the work. That having no other alternative, the contract work was cancelled by letter dated 8/4/2006 as per the contract agreement. If any eventuality arises, it was agreed that an arbitrator shall be appointed to settle the dispute. However, since there was no response from the respondent, the petitioners are approaching this honorable court under section 11(6) of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, praying for appointment of an arbitrator.
The work was cancelled by you.
Work was cancelled because they have not commenced the work.
So what liabilities the respondent have?
They have been given some
Against you?
money, Lordship. They have been paid some amount.
They have to repay
Yeah,
you some
yes.
amount,
Yes.
say around,
That I have not mentioned by this.
okay. So why, it was paid before the work began, or it was during the work?
This work was amounting to 2 crore and 90 lakhs. For
Okay,
building of the
and
place.
then for
The whole amount, Lordship, the whole amount. The package.
whole amount paid to
No,
the
the whole amount for the contract was
2
2
crore.
crore and.
Okay, and you paid
lakhs.
to the respondent
Some amount,
some amount only?
yes.
And then in return, the respondent has also executed some work.
No, they have not executed, they have not executed any work.
Then why you have paid before execution? On what
For
basis?
understanding, Lordship.
Hmm?
For starting the work for understanding. Lordship.
Okay,
And the work is still pending because of which the work is still pending. Lordship. No work has been allowed, fresh work has been allowed to any person. Because of the.
since
pending case.
it has already been cancelled,
Yes, it has been
Then,
cancelled, but the work
then-
has not been allowed to proceed.
have you demanded the amount?
Yes, yes,
Demanded the amount?
yes.
Where is the notice?
Lordship, notice is. It has been mentioned in as 13 January 2016, but and that order, that letter is not here in the petition.
No, have you demanded back the
Yes,
amount
yes.
paid by
Why this letter, Lordship? I can produce this letter also, Lordship.
page
Page 23
of the
of my
Yeah.
petition, Lordship. It says dated 13 January
23.
2016. Page 23, yes,
14 February?
14 February, Lordship.
No, this is for appointment of arbitrator only.
This is the information given to the Lordship, that's why
Mhm.
this letter.
No, because if the dispute arises only if he refuses to repay back. Since he did not execute any work, he had your money with
There
him.
is a question of doctrine of frustration also, Lordship. We have given the work to him, but he has not started the work.
Not started, that is why,
Yes.
and then now you have already cancelled.
We have already
Now-
canceled, Lordship.
Now, you can also demand the money paid by you to the respondent. Or a suit can be filed. Now, the work has been already cancelled by you.
Yes. Still, Lordship, under the provision, it says.
Because
under-
dispute will arise only if he refused to repay back.
In fact, there is no indication from them also.
Hmm.
In spite of so many correspondence written, they have never replied. They never came to reply.
Anyway, so since they are not appearing, you explore some other way if there is, like demanding the money. If he refuse, then only I think the dispute arise. So now we do not know whether he disputes or not.
No.
He might be say, they have never asked me for the money. In the meantime, you try to explore if there is any other way, because he is not appearing, and unless he appeared, arbitration would be a little difficult. No? And then for you, Okay, court may appoint, court may pass an order, but then it will be difficult for you and for even for the execution also. No? We'll list it after 4 weeks. Okay. On the prayer of the learned council for the. No, the learned, Mr. So appear on behalf of young,
Council of the petitioners.
learned council for the petitioner. None appears on behalf of the respondent staff, huh? List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Most welcome.
For admission, item number 8.
May please lordship. My lord, I'm
Yes.
appearing on behalf of the petitioner. My lord, I have instruction that the petitioner have taken consent from the private respondent and prays to list this matter after 3 weeks to file affidavit in reply. Filed by the.
What is this matter about? By
My
the way,
lord, I'm not in this matter, but this is a criminal petition challenging the criminal proceeding pending against the petitioner.
yes. Now whether charge sheet filed,
My lord, yes.
this is an admission. Why don't you face the trial? Charge has not yet been considered here in this case, not yet framed against the accused.
Yes.
Why you are apprehending? If you think that there is no case against you, then make an argument. Place your argument before the trial court during the framing of charge only, that there is no case against me, discharge me.
Yeah.
There you should explore first. Now, how do we step in and then set aside and quash or to try the case? The trial is the work of the trial court. Trial court will appreciate the evidences, and if there is no prima facie case against you, he will discharge you. You make an argument before the trial court. Why should you disturb? And then otherwise, you see, it will be trouble. You are disturbing. You explore. Consult your senior also. You are your senior.
No, my lord, I'm not.
No, your senior. Your senior. Who is your senior? Item. You are.
He is not my senior, but my lord, I'm just appearing on his behalf.
Oh, on his behalf.
Yes, yes.
Okay. No, because this
Statement
case, what I
on his
found
behalf.
is the case has not yet been considered for the consideration for the charge also. Charge not yet framed. So this is too early to make such prayer because this High Court cannot try the case or appreciate the evidence. The evidence will be appreciated only by the trial court only. Even if the charge frame also, even if the charge is framed against the accused also, then if you have already convinced, if you are staying together, then the victim will state before the court. She will not depose against the accused. Automatically, you will be acquitted also. But then here is a case where you have not even appeared before the court. And then the court has fixed for framing of charge against the accused. And during the framing of charge, you can make an argument for discharge, make a discharge petition. Okay, anyway, you are praying for?
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. Inform the learned counsel,
My lord.
let him explore the possibilities in this case. Because there is no case, He has a bad case here. Okay.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Nancy Lotha, who is
Respondent,
attending counsel for private respondent number 2.
respondent number 2.
Yes, my lord.
So respondent number 2 has no objection. And then Okay. Learned, Mr.
Bisoga, my lord.
Appearing on behalf of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Akin Risong, petitioner, no? Prays for adjournment of the case for how much time?
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. To which the Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 and the Learned PP has no objection. Stop, huh? In view of the above, list is matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 11.
May it please, my lord. My lord, if on the earlier occasion also, when this case was taken up, the audio was turned off on live streaming, lordship, because there are some sensitivities involved in this case. So if the audio can be turned off, lordship,
Okay, just a minute, huh?
on live stream.
Lordship, I'm submitting on behalf of Mr. Vijimo. If 2 weeks time may be granted to him.
2 weeks time, Zimo, sir, just a minute, this is criminal petition.
Lordship.
What is the allegation?
The allegations that as per the complainant, the petitioner has taken money to get donation for a university.
Okay, donation for university, the
Yes,
petitioner has
yes.
taken, okay,
Lordship.
then,
Lordship, but the time of taking money, the money could not be returned, nor the donation could not be acquired by
no,
the-
donation is to be returned.
No, the money that is taken by the petitioner. And
Okay.
after that, the petitioner was to look for donation from other organization, charitable organization, and the ministry, from other sources for the university, because the university is a new university. So of course, due to some health issues, the petitioner could not run about and get the donation for the university. And as such, the university, the complainant, the controller examiner, the complainant has filed a complaint
That
against.
donation was taken,
Yes.
and then donation was demanded back.
No. That is why the complainant has filed the complaint against the petitioner. But here in this case, Lordship, the petitioner's name is not in the FIR also.
Okay,
No mention is made, but only during the time of investigation, it has been found out that the petitioner has also taken some money
okay.
to get some donation for the university.
Hmm.
But in fact, the complaint in question, the police case that was filed at Kohima police station was against some other person, against some other 5 persons who has taken money to bring donation for the university. Whereas in the case of the petitioner, it's different. And in the FIR, the name of the petitioner is not there. One, and Lordship, the petitioner, only during the time of investigation, the IO has, and during the investigation, the IO has taken up that the petitioner should also be arrested.
Okay,
But Lordship, the arrest, the bail was confirmed by the CGM Dimapur.
confirm is the interim bail was granted.
interim bail
It was
granted,
confirmed.
is confirmed.
So now the petitioner is on bail.
Is on bail.
Okay,
But Lordship, since the petitioner is undergoing.
charge sheet filed now?
No, Lordship.
Not
That's
yet.
Not filed, not yet.
Then why you have come, is it not too early?
No, Lordship, but arrest warrant was issued against the petitioner.
Arrest for warrant for what? No, because you said that she was arrested and
She was
released on
arrested.
bail also, and her
She
bail
was
also
arrested,
confirmed.
But she was given interim bail
Yes,
and
that was confirmed.
yes,
Then why warrant of arrest had to issued against her? For what? To face the trial,
Lordship, for investigation. The-
investigation. Okay,
in the
after obtaining bail, she did not appear before the IO of the case.
After obtaining the bail,
Oh, then
After
naturally the police will issue.
yes, after
Yes.
obtaining the bail, the Honorable Court has granted the relief that at least she'll be allowed to appear before VC.
Okay,
And IO has,
where has she appeared?
yes, Lordship.
Okay,
The-
then,
The petitioner has appeared before the CGM, the court, through VC, as
okay.
well as the petitioner has over telephonically.
No,
because
if
she's under-
she has already appeared before the CGM through VC, that means the trial has begun or started
Trial commenced, Lordship.
or
Trial
commenced.
will
Then that
commence.
means charge sheet filed. Trial commenced, charge sheet filed, the charge framed,
No charge has been framed.
not yet.
Lordship, no charge has been framed.
No.
No charge sheet has been filed till now, Lordship.
No, then how the trial will commence? Trial commenced means charge sheet already filed, isn't it? Trial commenced. If the CJM is calling her, that means the trial has already commenced.
She has appeared
She has appeared, that means trial has commenced.
for confirmation of bail, Lordship.
Oh, for confirmation of bail.
Bail. That has been
Okay.
granted by the
Okay,
by the Honorable Court.
Then again, why? Thereafter also the CJM has issued some,
No, Lord.
okay.
Now, this Honorable Court was gracious enough to grant her relief to the extent that she will appear before the IO through VC.
Yes.
And take her statement.
Hmm.
The IO has called the petitioner, taken her statement,
Hmm.
and till now, the petitioner is under protection that the crane has been belted, crane has been confirmed.
Okay.
So, Lordship, at this stage, the petition, the case of the petitioner is that
Hmm.
the name of the petitioner is not in the FIR, and only on the request, on the inquiry of the IO, the name of the petitioner has been taken out, and she has also been framed in this case.
Now your prayer is
But-
now.
My prayer is, Lordship, for quashing the case against the.
But then you say that charge charge sheet not yet filed,
No, Lordship.
not yet filed
No, Lordship.
or filed,
No, Lordship.
not yet filed.
No, Lordship. Not yet filed.
Then you see, we do not know who has stated what against her. If some witnesses or co-accused persons has stated against her before the IO, then IO has no option but to file charge sheet against her. If there is nothing, then I will not file charge sheet against her also. The IO may also pray for discharge of this petitioner.
Lordship.
So is it not too early at this stage?
No, Lordship is not. It's
Huh?
the petitioner is.
Is it not too early?
No, Lordship.
Because yes,
At least the petitioner is before this Honorable Court for protection.
yes.
Intimately interim protection.
No,
that
I think
no
that
posting,
the
no
this
criminal
court
posting.
has given enough protection to appear before the police also through VC, and then even before the court also through VC.
Lordship.
And she has given her statement before VC. She has given enough protection.
Lordship.
But then thereafter also, if someone has stated, or if the IO found evidence against the accused person, IO, we can't stop the IO not to file any charge sheet against
No,
the present accused. Then how do we, you see, only on the basis of FIR, we can't quash.
Lordship. Lordship, I may be
Because-
allowed to, I may be allowed to please this
Yes, what is this?
RTI.
Because charge sheet will be filed only on the basis of the material available against her. What is this? An application under section 6 of the right of information.
These
So this
applications
is
been filed by
seeking for copy only? Copy of what?
Lordship, I may be allowed to read, Lordship.
Yes,
This is
please, sir.
The letter dated 3/10/2023 is the RTI application written by the advocate,
Mhm.
the counsel for the petitioner in the court below. He has written to the university. Question number 1, Lordship. Whether the
Yes.
university has taken any decision to lodge a complaint dated January 28, 23, which has been officially recorded as CAMD police station case number 28 of 23, corresponding to GR case number 27 of 276 of 23. Kindly provide me a copy of your decision if yes. So the question, the reply is that the other copy is the reply. That is reply is the 12th October 2023.
Hmm.
The answer is a negative. No. Question number 2, Lordship. I would also like to know whether the university authorized Mr. Sushil Singh, Controller of Examiner, Global Open University of Nagaland. That is Mr. Sushil Singh is the complainant. To file such complaint. Full stop. Also, is Mr. Sushil still the Controller of Examination with your university? So the question, the answer is no. The university has neither filed any complaint, nor the university authorized Mr. Sushil Singh to file the CMD police station case number so-and-so, corresponding to GR number so-and-so, as stated in your letter. Mr. Sushil was the controller,
Have you presented this, place it before the eye of the case?
Lordship, that I'll have to
No,
ascertain.
you give it.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Uh,
Yes, Lordship. We have.
Then a request for recording of a father's statement. Now,
Lordship.
during the
Yes, yes, we
father's
have-
statement,
Yes, yes,
then place it before the IO.
yes,
And you see, after, even after this also,
Lordship.
so that the IO incorporate and then before filing charge sheet, this matter also will be considered,
Mm.
and whether the, any material, incriminating material other than these are there or not. And if there is nothing found against her, the IO will not file charge sheet. And then she will also pray before the court while filing charge sheet against, if, is there any other accused also in here in this case?
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah, then you see, that now at the moment, what I'm suggesting, yeah, this court cannot stop the IO from proceeding with the investigation of the case against all the accused. And if you think that there is nothing against you, then you place entire records which is in favor of you before the IO, like the one, this one, okay? And then after you see completion of the investigation, IO definitely will not, even if the IO submit charge sheet against other accused also, the IO will make a prayer that saying that there is no material found against this accused. So this accused may be discharged. So that the IO do that, you take your own the steps, take steps in whatever in your favor are available. Okay,
Lordship.
that will be better, because now at the moment, probably will not be able to stop the IO to proceed with the investigation of the case.
The prayer is not for stopping the investigation,
Hmm.
but the criminal proceeding only against the petitioner.
No, that is why I'm saying proceeding not yet started. It is in the investigation stage.
Yes.
We can't stop the IO from investigating, getting the case, what I'm saying.
So my prayer, my limit prayer is that if the proceeding before the court, before the CGM Dimapur,
Yes.
may be kept in abeyance
No, no.
against the petitioner,
Now,
not against the other accused.
now the best
Not-
thing, the best, procedure would be like this,
Lordship.
that even if the charge sheet filed,
Lordship.
if the charge sheet filed, and if you think that in the charge sheet there is against the accused,
Lordship.
then of course there is something, then you have to examine that if these are the correct documentary evidence against you. But then in any case, you see, till the filing of charge sheet, we can't do anything.
Lordship.
Investigation, we can't stop.
Even on this right, Lordship.
And then we can't stop the IO also not to investigate against you.
Lordship, at this stage, since the service upon the respondent number 2 is also still awaited, Lordship, may kindly grant at least 3-4 weeks, Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship,
But
since
why is
Honorable Court has given
in the
latitude-
initial stage, in the, why this criminal petition filed for questioning, it's very difficult in the initial stage. No? And some stage you have to wait for some stage
Lordship.
whereafter you think you can file before the High Court,
Lordship.
but it will be too early, this case, no? Okay, anyway, since,
Lordship, I'll look into that.
hmm,
Lordship. I'll look into the procedure at Lordship. Lordship, as of today, Lordship, if Lordship may,
so today,
and in fact, since the university has a,
I think all the earlier prayer, interim prayer was granted to you. That you have already appeared before the police, already appeared before the magistrate also through VC, isn't it?
Lordship.
And then if that has been completed, then what more remains? Is there any other interim? No. You have made any other private respondent also?
Yes, Lordship. Private
They have
report,
not filed their-
is complainant.
Okay,
Please file this. So Lordship,
Hmm.
service upon respondent is still awaited.
okay.
And Lordship,
Thani counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Posito. And also Mr. Angami appearing on behalf of Lana PP, Mr. Jimo,
Jimo, my lordship.
Jimo, na? He is also Angami also Lana PP, huh? And Jimo PP, who is appearing in the who is Jimami, who is appearing as a Lanet PP in the instant case, huh? Stop. As per the office note dated 7/11/23, the notice issued upon the respondent number 2 is still awaited. Stop. In view of the above, list is matter after
3 weeks, lordship.
3 weeks.
Not to be, get them for 4 weeks, Lord.
Okay, 4 weeks, huh? After 4 weeks. Okay.
Oblige, lord.
Oblige, Lord. For hearing item number 22. Lordship, if Lordship, in item number 14, Lordship, if the IO has been further inquiry or takes statement of the petitioner, Lordship may kindly be allowed to take it through VC, through phone, because Lordship,
That order is still there, I think.
Lordship seems, because since there is an order, now as and when the IO required to examine the petitioner, considering her age, she will be examined through VC only on the strength of the order earlier passed. Lordship.
And then if you think that no, the IO is insisting for the personal appearance, you come mention the case and again we'll pass an order.
Yes, Lordship.
Mention saying that the IO is calling the petitioner on such and such date for physical appearance. So the other this order for appearance through VC may be extended. We'll extend.
Lord.
Okay.
Yes, because the earlier orders. Much obliged, Lord.
Yes.
Item 22.
Item 22. Yes.
May your lordship please, Lord, I am appearing on behalf of petitioner.
Yes.
Lordship, we have filed our application today. So we will be serving the copy.
Application?
Yes, Lordship.
What application?
Lordship, this honorable court directed us to file an application calling for the record. Calling for and taking custody of evidence, including the CCTV, when the petitioner was in the custody.
CCTV?
Yes, Lordship. We have filed today, Lordship. We have filed today.
Today?
Yes, Lordship.
Is it available?
We will give the copy
Okay.
today itself.
This is application. You have filed application for what?
Lordship, this honorable court
By
directed
which
us to
order?
order dated, Lordship.
Do you remember by which
Yes,
order it was ordered?
Yes, Lordship.
Appropriate application bringing the
eight-
allegation made by her on record.
Yes, Lordship, 8/9/2023.
Okay. You are for?
Petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. Miss. You are Miss?
P.N. Sumi, Lordship.
Pin?
P.N. Sumi.
Okay. For the Land Council for the petitioner submits that she has filed an application. Application what? Application for?
For calling and take custody of the evidence, including CCTV
Right.
footage. Yeah,
For application for calling of
records. Yes.
for calling
Call of record.
calling of the record of the
Yes, Lordship.
CCTV
Footage
footage from
for the period
for
from the date of appearance in the court
okay
and the arrest from the court till the date the applicant was in the custody.
was in the custody.
Yes, Lordship.
today itself, huh? And the copy is to be served upon the respondent.
Yes, we'll serve it today.
Okay, stop, huh? You are for the respondent.
Lordship, so respondent, Lordship,
Mr.
if need be, I may be allowed to file a affidavit.
Okay, you have received the copy?
No, I've
Not yet,
if,
no?
if
Okay.
need be, if
Okay,
it's
then
advice.
counsel for the, Mr. Poseto. Then counsel for the respondent number.
Sole respondent, Lordship.
Okay, for the respondent is also present. Stop, huh? The counsel for the petitioner shall serve copy of the application filed by her today to the land counsel for the respondent. If required, you can file later on, and if you
Yes,
can file already. So as prayed for by the land councils for the party, list is made after 3 weeks.
Lordship, winter vacation, if
Oh.
Lordship, please.
Okay. After
Winter vacation, Lordship.
winter vacation, after winter vacation.
But I have exam between December, so if
Okay, okay, not party, as prayed for by the land council for the petitioner, huh? List is made after winter vacation. Okay,
Obliged.
highly obliged.
okay, that's all, no? Okay, that is, this one.
Itu udah. Thank you.